Hi, in this video I'll show you how Reviewpad can be used to have advanced code reviewer assignment policies, depending on who is the author of the pull request and also the type of changes made. Here I have an example of a pull request, and at the moment I am being blocked because I require a review from Engineering Alpha. Engineering Alpha is a senior member of my team. Reviewpad automatically picks that up based on the workflows that we have configured. And so it's telling me that I have missing approvals. So I cannot merge this pull request until I get an approval from Engineering Alpha. Now I got an approval from Engineering Alpha. Reviewpad is going to kick in again, and let's see what it tells me. So I still cannot merge the pull request, and now Reviewpad is telling me that I actually also need a review from someone on the team DBA. And so the fact that I need this is because I've made some changes to the code base that require an extra layer of approvals. So I got now an approval from someone in this team, and Reviewpad kicks in again. And I believe that should be enough now for me to be able to merge my pull request. The interesting thing here is that this team was only requested a review only after my senior member in my team has approved the pull request. So we don't have to bother multiple people at the same time. And so as I can see, Reviewpad now tells me that I can merge my pull request because it's enabled on GitHub. Let's take a look at how this works. So if I want to look at the configuration file of Reviewpad, so it lives in the root of the repository. So again, I have a mapping from the teams that I have set up on GitHub to some senior members, and also I have a map from certain file paths to particular teams on GitHub. I have a couple of rules that say that are all the reviewers have approved, and do I even have reviewers? And so the first thing that Reviewpad does, as we saw, is depending on who is the author, it picks up the team of that author and assigns someone from a senior member of that team. And only after that, only I have that approval, then I'm going to run something, which is I'm going to check whether I modified something based on these file paths here. And if I have modified something, in this case I modified the DB, then the team DBA should be requested a reviewer. And that's exactly what happens here. Until that happens, I should block the merge. So I hope that this shows how you can, in Reviewpad, set up fairly complicated code review mechanisms and also approval mechanisms to make sure that the extra security is actually made easy and automated. Thank you.